What happens when you combine raw power, impeccable engineering, and a dash of exclusivity from one of the most iconic automakers in history? You get the 1974 Porsche 911 Carrera RS 3, a marvel of engineering and a pinnacle of performance from Porsche's golden era. Underneath its hood lies a 3.0-liter air-cooled flat-six engine, a powerhouse that churns out 230 horsepower at 6,200 RPM and 203 pound-foot of torque at 5,000 RPM. Designed as a homologation special, this Carrera was crafted to qualify Porsche's 911 RSR for Group 3 racing. With only 55 units ever produced from October 1973 to 1974, including a scarce 6 right-hand drives, it's not just a car, it's a collector's dream. Weighing in between 900 and 1,093 kilograms, its nimble frame is matched by fierce capability, sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds and reaching top speeds of 155 miles per hour. This machine wasn't just built for the road, it was a bridge to Porsche's racing heritage, echoing the prowess of their famed 911 RSR models. The 1974 Porsche 911 Carrera RS3 is a testament to Porsche's commitment to excellence, a symbol of motorsport history, and a rare gem that continues to captivate enthusiasts and collectors around the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more electrifying content. Until next time, this is Eric Young, signing off.